In this video, we're going to take a look at how to post on Instagram from your laptop or computer. So what you need to do, you need to have the browser Chrome, and when you have that installed, go onto your Instagram page, right click, and then click Inspect. Now we're going to click on this icon here, which says Toggle Device Toolbar. And you can see that Instagram's loading in a mobile sort of view. And all we're going to do now is refresh the page. And now you can see at the bottom, we have the option to upload photos. So I'm going to click that. And I'm going to try and find a photo. Let's find one. Let's take this one. Save image. Save. Back to our Instagram page. That's all we need to do because it's disappeared. Right click, inspect. And we're going to refresh the page. Okay, we can close that now. So we're going to select a photo. You can see it's here. Click next. And we're just going to type simian test image. And we're going to share. And now we have our posted Instagram photo that we've done from our PC, computer, or laptop. See you in the next one.